now what we've told you might make it seem like whatever happens, the net force will always do positive work, or not. Now, what would your answer be? True or false? The net force always does positive work. Now, it might seem that way, but let's give you a very simple example. Let's take a car that's speeding, right? Somehow it's been given some speed, it's going on the road, and you decide that you have to stop it because there is a cliff off which it's going to go and fall. So, a flat road, a car is going, it's going to fall off. What do you decide to do? You decide to become all heroic, you go and stand in front of it and try to stop the car. Now, if you neglect the little forces from the road on the car, little frictional forces, forget about all of them, assume that yours is the only force, then the direction of your force is going to be opposite to the motion of the car. Whereas the car is going to be going forwards. So the car is going in a particular direction, you may or may not succeed in stopping it, and we don't even care about that in this case. What we do care about though is that no matter which of these two happens, your force and the car's motion will be in opposite directions. In other words, the net force in this case, because yours is the only force, the net force and the direction of displacement are in opposite directions, which means that the net force is doing negative work. So, to generalize, whenever an object that is moving is being brought to rest, or its direction is being changed, you will typically find that the net force is in the opposite direction of motion, and therefore the work done by the net force is negative. So, can the work done by net force be negative? Yes, it can. Just like an object's velocity and acceleration can be in opposite directions. You throw a ball up, the velocity of the ball is pointing upwards, whereas the acceleration due to gravity is always pointing downwards. And why is it pointing downwards? Because the net force on it, which is the gravitational force, is pulling it downwards. So that's something good to have in your mind.